Causes of Lucknow Pact. Number 1. Abolition of the India Council. The India Council of the Secretary of the State operating from England, should be abolished. Number 1. Number 2. Provincial legislatures, 4/5 of the member of the provincial legislatures were to be directly elected and 1/5 to be nominated. On the whole, the proportion of Muslims members was large. For example, 50% in Punjab, 40% in Bengal and 30% in UP. नंबर 2 देख लीजिए. Number 3. Minorities in elected bodies. The minorities should have adequate separate representation in elected bodies. Number 3. Number 4. Limitation of the imperial legislature. The government of India should not ordinarily interfere in the local affairs of a province, defense, foreign and political relations of India. Number 5. Imperial Legislative Council. The Imperial Legislative Council was to have 150 members. Of these, 4/5 were to be elected and 1/5 nominated. 1/3 of the elected members were to be Muslims. Number 6. Power of the Legislative Council. All bills passed by the legislatures were to be operative unless vetoed by the Governor General in the Council. If the same bill was passed again by the Legislative Council within a year, the government was obliged to pass it. Number 7. Autonomy in provinces. Provinces were to be autonomous in their respective spheres. Number 8. Viceroy's Executive Council. Half of the members of the Viceroy's Executive Council were to be Indians, elected by the elected members of the Imperial Legislative Council. Nine. Religious interest. No legislative council (imperial or provincial) was to proceed with any bill or resolution affecting one or the other community, it adversely affected their interest. Number 10 and last point. Separation of judiciary from executive. Executive officers should not have judicial powers. Members of the judiciary in every province were to be placed under the control of the highest court of that province. ये था क्लॉजेस ऑफ लखनऊ पैक्ट. इसे इस तरह भी आप लिख सकते हैं, पॉइंट करके एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं और इस तरह भी आप लिख सकते हैं, जो मैं लिखा है यहाँ पे, ये सिर्फ पॉइंट करके है, कोई हेडिंग नहीं है, ठीक है। तो इसे स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्लॉजेस ऑफ लखनऊ पैक्ट। नंबर 1, there shall be a self-government in India. Muslims should be given 1/3 representation in the central government. Number 2, there should be separate electorates for all communities until a community demanded joint electorates. System of weightage to minority political representation should be adopted. Number 3, the number of the members of Imperial Legislative Council was to be 150, of which 4/5 were to be elected and 1/5 nominated. 1/3 of the elected members were to be Muslims. At the provincial level, 4/5 of the members of the Legislative Council should be elected and 1/5 should be nominated. All members except those nominated should be elected directly on the basis of adult franchises. Next, the salaries of the Secretary of State for Indian Affairs should be paid by the British government, not from Indian funds. Out of the 2 secretaries, one should be Indian and other should be their own member. Next, in Viceroy Executive Council, half the members were to be Indian, elected by the members of the Imperial Legislative Council. Last, the judiciary in every province shall be placed under the control of the highest court of that province and shall be separated from the executive. ये था लास्ट। तो एक ही क्वेश्चन का 2 अलग अलग आंसर। ये है एक्सप्लेन, हेडिंग विद एक्सप्लेन, ये है विदाउट हेडिंग। जो आपको पसंद हो वो नोट कर लीजिए और वो अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए, ठीक है। तो ये एक और तरह से भी लिखा जा सकता है। ये बहुत बड़ा है, ये भी बहुत बड़ा है। तो एक और है जो एकदम जो जिन लोगों को इतना बड़ा बड़ा नहीं पसंद है उन लोगों के लिए, वो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपलोड करूँगी। वो एकदम छोटा सा है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक होगा, वो 7-8 पॉइंट्स में होगा, एकदम छोटा। जिन लोगों को इतना बड़ा बड़ा आंसर पसंद नहीं आता उन लोगों के लिए वो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपलोड करूँगी। तो ये एक बार देख लीजिए थोड़ा।